Hello and welcome to another episode of eScoot Challenges. Now, in the last episode of eScoot Challenges, I was trying to do a puncture repair within 5 minutes. Today, I'm going to try and do it faster. Now, last time, I succeeded and failed. I managed to do a puncture repair, but I didn't manage to inflate a tire within that 5 minutes, so it took me 6 minutes. Now, I put a target of 3 minutes for today to see can I do it within 3 minutes. Now, okay, there is a little difference. I don't have side stickers here and I don't have a dust cap on the current valve. I do have a dust cap to put it on, but since I don't have one to take it off, I'm not going to be putting it back on. We'll see at the end we can add a couple of seconds because of that. And this frame is actually torn apart already. It was supposed to go to bin, but I decided I actually want to try and do this challenge just to see can I really do it within 3 minutes. So for that purpose I did fit a brake caliper. I didn't have original screws, so it's like this. It's a little bit loose, but I try to make it look the way it usually would on a normal scooter. Even that brake caliper, at least to me, doesn't make big of a difference, because when I'm putting a wheel back in, I have a small trick to speed it up, and that means I put the wheel a little bit higher, first align it with the brake caliper and then slide it in. It's much easier and much faster. So okay, let's start the timer. I'm probably not going to be doing any commentary while I'm doing this, because I'm going to try and focus to see can I do it within 3 minutes. Okay, let's try. It's not going the way I planned, but okay, it might still be successful. There, tire is aligned. I wouldn't usually recommend you to do it this way with the disc on the bottom side, because you might bend the disc, but I did it so far so many times that I know how to do it without bending the disc. Okay, it's not cooperating. Okay, and now this part, as I said, first I go all the way up, align it with the brake caliper, and then push it in. Ooh. Okay. Okay. Yeah, there's a bit of a problem, because this is a empty frame, so it doesn't have a weight. Could have been much faster. Yeah, Wow, so I did it under 3 minutes. I really did manage to do it, and yeah, the wheel is nicely centered. So yeah, it is possible. Probably if I got a little bit more lucky with some things, I would maybe even do it a bit faster, or well, with valve cap and stickers, I'm pretty sure I would do it within 3 minutes. So yeah, that's my probably new personal record so far. So yeah guys, so yeah, it's definitely possible to do it this weekly. Anyways, I hope you liked the video. If you did, hit that like button. Hopefully maybe you guessed in the comments down below how long it's gonna take me. If you have any other video ideas, leave them in the comments down below. If you want to see more content like this, or if you like some other of my content, please feel free to subscribe. If you want to support me, you can support me through Buy Me a Coffee. Link is gonna be in the video description. And yeah, till next time, stay safe out there and respect other road users. Bye bye.